I see you have lunch money. Aren't you lucky? You know what would make you even luckier? If you give me that money so I won't have to beat you up for it! Yeah, you heard me! Give it!
Walking along in pouring rain, I see your face all messed up. I try to talk to you, but you didn't say a word. I asked if you wanted to stay at my place tonight to cheer you up, but you refuse. Why can't you stay? I will always stay right beside you. Even when you feel like you're crying, I'll be here to hold you. I will always stay right beside you. Even though you feel like you're falling apart, I will always stay right beside you. No matter what, I will always stay.
Michaela got a new pogo stick for her birthday.
Oh my god, you are so uncool! You got a pogo stick for your birthday? See, if you weren't so weird, you would have gotten a cooler gift. Like a basketball, or a scooter, or even better, a skateboard. But you're too weird for those things.
Michaela just looked at Rowdy with no interest at all.
Rowdy, rowdy, rowdy. As usual, you lack the knowledge to understand that this is a magical pogo stick.
Rowdy got mad and knocked Michaela over.
Magical? You're so weird.
Yeah, watch. When I ride this pogo stick, it takes me so high, I can't even hear you call me a nerd, or crazy, or ugly, or fat, or even weird.
It was true. When Michaela rode the pogo stick, it was so loud and took her so high that Michaela and the other school kids couldn't hear Rowdy call her names. To make things even better, she went right over Rowdy. So Rowdy got a ladder.
You look like such a nerd bouncing on that stupid thing.
But Michaela couldn't hear him because she was on her magical pogo stick. Michaela just kept on bouncing higher and higher. Michaela bounced so high she was able to leap tall buildings in a single bound. Look up in the sky. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's just Michaela on her magical pogo stick.
This is me on a magical pogo stick. Jumping around on a magical pogo stick. Magical pogo stick. Yeah!
Michaela went so high. She said hola to the buildings, hola to the birds, hola to the planes, hola to the astronauts, and hola to the moon. Then Michaela heard her mama call her.
Micaela, ven a comer. Time for dinner.
So Michaela stopped and gracefully came down. She said ciao to the moon, ciao to the astronauts, ciao to the planes, ciao to the birds, and ciao to the buildings. When she landed, Rowdy was so mad that his face was red with anger. But we all know it was really green with envy. For we know that Rowdy was jelly of Michaela's magical pogo stick.
You're not cool! I can prove it!
Rowdy ran towards Michaela, and she released the handles of the magical pogo stick. The pogo stick fell forward, connecting with Rowdy's body in such a way that it broke 2 of Rowdy's ribs. Then Rowdy was alone in the hospital because none of the kids at school would visit Rowdy in the hospital. Rowdy knew for sure that the pogo stick was truly magical. He knew what it was truly like to be all those mean names he called Michaela and all the other kids at school. And they say Rowdy's small heart grew 3 sizes that day. No, that's not true. Rowdy continued to be mean, but Michaela and the other kids at school learned to ignore Rowdy. Jorge got magical headphones, Reina got a magical mic, Isa got a magical paintbrush, and Deborah got magical red dance shoes, and they all learned to put Rowdy out of their minds. Elfie.
This is me, riding on my magical pogo stick, jumping around on my magical pogo stick. Magical pogo stick! Yeah!
I just can't bear to see you cry like this. Inside